Today we're checking out Creality's Hyper PLA Filament, and this is the rainbow color. And I've bought this myself because I really want to check out a rainbow filament and do some prints with it because they always look really cool. Now I'll say right off the bat, it's definitely not rainbow. Like rainbow has some certain colors in it, and I feel like there's definitely some missing from here. But for what I want, this is perfect because we've got a nice range of stuff that will mean the prints will come kind of quite random. And here is an example of one of the ones I've done. So this is a dragon egg. STL will be in the description below if you want to go give it a go yourself. And this one opens up. So of course I printed the bottom first and then I printed the second piece. If you were to print both of these at the same time, of course, it would not be a nice match when printing it all out. And it came out beautiful. What I would say is you have to be paying attention to what color is coming up next so you have an idea of how your print is going to look. It's probably best to think about it before you go ahead and print. And you can see that there's not really like a certain color going back and forward. It's really random. There's even a beige in mine. And I would imagine there's a good chance this is just scrap colors that they're putting together. But I will say I like their pigment in this. I've been very critical of Creality's white PLA because I think it's extremely transparent. It just doesn't look like it has much pigment in it. And these ones I'm really impressed with. They look really nice and strong and they don't look as transparent as some of the other stuff. But certainly I would not say it's rainbow. It doesn't have all the colors. And it would be nice if this did go through the actual colors of the rainbow, but it doesn't. And I would actually say by looking at it, it looks like the entire roll is about maybe 40% lime green. And then there's a little bit of red and pink. There's a little bit of blue. And like I said, there's some beige in there for some reason. And this makes it feel more like it's just some scraps thrown together without thinking, oh, we want to have it go from this color to this color to this color, all the way through the rainbow, and then start off again all the way through the rainbow again. It doesn't feel like that. So although this is very nice and it printed out brilliantly and it looks great and it printed great, I do think the colors are a bit lacking, but the final prints and all that are going to be completely satisfying to me, and the randomness of the colors is just going to be fun to play with.